Welcome back to Sitaro Ka Safar. Today we'll dive deep into the world of the Virgo zodiac sign, known for their analytical nature and attention to detail. Virgos carry a unique approach to life, love, and work. From their strong connection to the earth element to their ancient representation by the goddess of agriculture, there's so much depth and richness to this sign. Whether you're a Virgo or know someone who is, today's video will give you insight into what truly defines this meticulous and grounded zodiac. Let's get started. Zodiac sign Earth. This refers to someone who suppresses their emotions. They tend to be slow, unresponsive, restrictive, disciplined, practical, adaptable, and open to change. If we talk about their principles, it represents an analytical approach that reveals and promotes reduction, while also encompassing a desire for performance, excellence, and meticulousness. In astrology, Virgo is represented by a maiden holding a sheaf of wheat, symbolizing fertility and abundance. In ancient times, this image was associated with the goddess of agriculture and harvest. She was worshipped under various names such as Ishtar, Isis, Ceres, and Persephone. Later, the name of the Virgin Mary was also associated with this symbol. If we talk about their characteristics, they are analytical, discerning, practical, and evaluate life through facts and logic. They do not overlook even the smallest detail in their quest for meaning and understanding. They have a tendency to break down complex ideas into smaller parts to ensure that only the pure essence remains. They are deeply interested in principles of health and cleanliness and prefer solitude. Mentally, they are intelligent, alert, foresighted, and practical rather than lost in abstract thoughts. They have the ability to synthesize details and possess a logical, analytical mindset. They learn easily and efficiently. In love, they adhere strictly to traditions and customs. They are polite, modest, and balanced in expressing their emotions and love. They use analytical skills and techniques to manage their romantic feelings, especially under pressure or when self-control is challenged. If we talk about their weaknesses and flaws, they may be overly critical, excessively analytical, overly reserved, and suppress their emotions and feelings. They tend to overanalyze, leading to worry and anxiety. If we talk about their work and profession, they thrive in roles that require analytical, evaluative, and organizational skills. They are naturally suited for professions that involve serving others, such as teaching, psychology, technology, nursing, and jobs related to public health and safety. They excel in analytical science, statistics, accounting, clerical or secretarial work, critique, and inspection. They are also well suited for careers in editing, chemistry, photography, medicine, gardening, pharmacy, food supply, tailoring, and retail. Jobs that require meticulous attention to detail or handling requests and their specifics are ideal for them. Psychologically, they have a fundamental dedication to performance, competence, and efficiency. The essence of virginity or purity in this context is not just about sexual connotations, but also about preserving one's abilities and preventing them from being wasted. This involves striving for the highest performance and competence while remaining untainted by external influences. Individuals related to Virgo are analytical and claim expertise in their field, but those in professions like medicine and psychology may face intense pressures and challenges. Physically, the stomach and digestive systems are central to their bodily functions. These organs are subconsciously connected to the feet through the nervous system. They may experience issues such as intestinal discomfort, ulcers, particularly due to worry and anxiety, appendicitis, and general digestive disturbances. And that's a deep dive into the world of Virgo. As we've explored, Virgos aren't just detail-oriented, they're perfectionists with a deep desire for purity and excellence in all that they do. Whether it's their practical mindset, their ability to break down complex ideas, or their reserved approach to love, Virgo truly embodies the essence of dedication and service. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar for more astrological wisdom. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share about the Virgos in your life. Until next time, stay connected to the stars and as always, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.